Okay, so guys, hi.
Hello, you right?
Looks like in log camp. Hammock again. That's the way we get out nowadays. We've got woodburning stove. We've got some sort of tarp shelter. We're both under the tarp, sitting on the chairs. We've walked about 30 seconds to the car, if that much. So, just treating ourselves really tonight. We about to start cooking. Some nice burgers.
Yeah, looking forward to them.
Yeah, and just chill the night, have a couple drinks, and just relax.
Just taking it easy.
Yeah, life is too hard otherwise.
It is raining, and it is meant to rain all night as well, isn't it? So
Yeah.
that should be interesting. But it seems to be holding up pretty well, doesn't it?
Yeah.
'Cause we're in a different location this time as well.
Yeah.
Different setup. So far so good. I think tonight it's going to be pretty good.
Yeah. Hopefully it'll stay dry. I mean, I'm sure you can hear the rain going. Yeah. About to cook some burgers. Have some dinner. It's late. It's late. We finished setting up pretty much now. It's 8 o'clock.
Yep.
We didn't get out till about 6.
I think it was about,
Yeah.
about that.
From the time we were ready, and
Yeah, so
yeah.
finding this spot as well, we haven't actually been here before.
I've come
before,
around
you
here a
know the
couple
area,
times.
Yeah, but
Yeah,
this is new to us, so we had to find the spot, and it's quite ideal, isn't it, for both our
Yeah.
hammocks side by side.
I mean, you can see both hammocks like next to us, and we've got just about enough space for us to be sitting here, having the wood burner, having a bit of like a living space, especially on a day like this when it's pouring down. So we'll be dry
Yeah,
and comfortable.
and it's nice to actually stay together, isn't it? Rather
Yeah.
than, it's normally we're separate. isn't
Separate,
it?
yeah,
And
far
separate.
apart.
Yeah, so it's nice.
Nice,
this way. Yeah, all good.
So time to start cooking. Shall we go for it?
Yep, let's do
Go.
it.
Oh. Hi guys, just finished lunch, well, dinner. Nice burgers. Did take a while to cook, about hour and a half we've spoken last.
Yeah.
Yeah, roughly. Just had coffee. Just, yeah, as you guys can see, we're just sitting down,
Chilling.
relaxing.
I'm not cold, by the way. I'm just covering up, so I keep getting bitten. So I put my woolly
He's the
hat
lucky
on.
one. I'm alright.
I don't know why they keep biting me. It must taste nice.
Yeah, well,
But yeah,
I'm
dinner
happy
was
not to.
nice. Yeah, that's it. Dinner was good though.
yeah, nice burgers.
Yeah.
It's the advantage of having the car just there, you can bring whatever you want.
That's it. It's easy, isn't it?
Yeah, it's awesome.
Yeah. It's not been raining too heavy either, has it? Since
No.
earlier.
Not overly.
No, it's been on and off,
Yeah.
as you can hear now, but it ain't been too bad. Now hopefully it don't rain too heavy tonight.
No, if it stays like this, not an
Not too
issue
bad.
at all.
No,
No.
we're still dry, aren't we?
Yeah.
It's worked out alright.
Yeah. So it's not going to be an issue. It's going to be chilling tonight, having a couple of drinks,
Yeah.
just go to sleep soon because we're both quite tired because we both worked early today.
Yeah, I was up and just gone 5 this morning.
That's not cool.
Yeah, so
Yeah,
I
no.
should sleep well tonight.
Yeah. It's meant to be a warm night, isn't it?
Yeah, I looked, it's about 17 degrees tonight, 17 or 18,
Yeah.
so it's going to be quite warm. So I've not actually brought a sleeping bag with me, I've just brought a blanket for tonight because I got too hot in the sleeping bag a few weeks back when I was in Hammock.
Someone's brave. I couldn't sleep without my sleeping bag. I'll be too cold. As you guys know, I need my pre-season sleeping bag. Yeah. That's it.
Right, though.
Yeah. Can't complain. That's why they exist, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, so I'll just quickly, to be fair, the setup is pretty much the usual on, well, both of us.
Yeah.
But still, got the Miltech blankets underneath. I'm using the OEX top. Luke's using my, well, what used to be my hammock.
Oh yeah.
It is now.
Yeah.
I managed to get him out with it.
Yeah.
I'm using the OEX sleeping bag, the usual one. Then I've got Trekking XL sleeping mat from Decathlon. Luke is using the iGear self-inflating sleeping mat, is that?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I used that last time. It's quite good. It's pretty good. Yeah.
Same as I also have one, to be fair. Yeah, it's nice. Then DD Tarp and military washer. Both of them up.
Together. They're joined in the middle.
Because we don't have a big enough tarp. So make do with two instead.
Yeah, it's worked out well
yeah.
though, isn't it? It's give us more room in the middle,
Yeah.
so that we can sort of sit and socialise a bit easier.
Yeah. So, and we're still fully covered, both of us. That'll be fine.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's about that, isn't it? There's not much more.
Yeah.
Just gonna have the stove on and off depending. It is too hot to be having it on all the time.
Yeah.
But it's nice to have it on, just something to look at. Yeah. That's it.
Got plenty of wood as well, haven't we?
Yeah,
Left
we brought it over, to be fair. As I said, the car's just there. It is raining. We don't have to struggle trying to get wood or
No, that's it.
just finding stuff.
It'd be too hard, wouldn't it?
Yeah.
It'd be too wet.
It's the first time I'm here, so like physically sleeping here, so even the couple times I came to scout the location, let's put it that way, I didn't look at that, I admit that. Didn't even look if there was dead wood or not. There is bits and bobs, but it is wet. It's been raining all day, it's been raining last night, it's been raining yesterday, so there's no point in trying.
No.
Car is there, we had wood at home, just use it.
It's easier, isn't it?
Yeah, yeah, it's much easier, and yeah, I think that's about that. We shall see you probably tomorrow morning. It's getting quite dark. We do have a head torch up there to have some sort of light. We'll see you tomorrow morning when we are in setting.
Yeah.
See you later, guys. Bye.
See you later.
Morning, guys.
Morning.
Just woke up about 10 minutes ago. Yeah, I slept through. Woke up once with a massive puddle on top of the top, which Luke did take out for me.
Yeah. It was huge.
Yeah.
It was nearly inside your...
Inside my hammock.
Yeah.
That is true. Yeah, it was a good night. Didn't stop raining.
No, it was really heavy at one point during the night, but we stayed dry though, didn't we?
Yeah.
Didn't get wet.
No.
So,
Full on dry. The setup worked fine.
yeah. Quite impressed with it.
Yeah. Just time to have coffee. Luke's already taken his hammock down. I was too lazy, so mine is still up. Yeah, we'll just take the hammocks down, finish the coffee, and go home. It is 9 o'clock, so I slept for almost 10 hours.
It's good.
She's good.
It is achievable, isn't it, with the hammocks? I think the only reason I woke up was because of the rain. It was really heavy at one point, and obviously on the tarp it's very loud. But I had earplugs in as well.
Yeah, I just slept through.
But earplugs did help. But yeah, no, it is really comfy, the hammocks.
Yeah.
And I think that's the best way for me, and probably you, isn't it?
Yeah,
To camp.
100%.
It's so comfortable.
In the right setup, yeah.
Yeah.
Totally.
Yeah, if you've got it right, then you will sleep all night.
So yeah, that's it. I will finish the coffee, take the hammock down, and we'll head on. I shall see you guys later.
See you later. Bye.